So this morning I'm heading off to Potterton Close to show you a lovely 2-bedroom end of terrace property. Close to Junction 24, fantastic for commuters. This property would be perfect for couples, single professionals or small families. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
You said that you were alright, but you were late. I didn't understand. You're still the only person who I wanna be around. What's it gonna take today? Another chance on me. What's it gonna take today? Another chance on me. What if I say I'm sorry?
I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour of this property. If you'd be interested in booking a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation on your property, please do get in touch.